I'm doing an exciting giveaway for Valentine's Day from January 25th until February 1st, where you'll have a chance to win my 8 Valentines that I came out with last year that look like they're straight from the Wizarding World. It'll also include the matching envelopes, as well as some wax seals that have adhesive on the back so you can stick them right onto your envelope. You'll also win one of my Amortentia candles that has mica powder in it, so when it burns, it glistens and it smells like fresh strawberries. And finally, you're going to have a chance to win my Beguiling Bubbles Love Potion that transforms from this beautiful red with the bubbles inside to this beautiful swirly pink color. If you leave a comment down below that says "Show me the love," you'll receive one entry. If you are a member to my channel, which you can click the join button directly below here, you will get an additional entry besides the initial entry for putting "Show me the love" in the comments. And if you happen to be one of my patrons, you'll get the same amount of entries that you normally get for our monthly potion bottle drawing on top of the initial entry for putting the comment down below. So for example, my alchemist level of patron would get 7 entries into this drawing because they get 6 entries for being a patron and 1 for putting the comment down below. So if you're interested in becoming a patron or a member, the links for those will be down below. And like I said, this drawing is open to everyone worldwide, and it's going to run from January 25th until February 1st, and I will draw the winner on the 1st, and then I will mail the package out right away to the winner so that they will have it before Valentine's Day. So make sure you comment down below, "Show me the love," so that you can get entered in, and you can get those extra entries by being a member or a patron. I appreciate all of you, and good luck!